Every dream begins with one small step. As a student, every Leone matters. That's why Commerce and Mortgage Bank created the Student Copo account. A smarter way to save, receive money, and manage your finances while focusing on your education.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another exciting edition of CMB Spotlight Interview, where we bring banking closer to you. I am your host, Fatima Dija Koroma, and it's always a pleasure to have you join us. Now, let me ask you a question. How many of you have you ever wished you could transfer money, check your account balance? At Commerce and Mortgage Bank, we're embracing innovation to make banking easier, faster, and convenient for our customers. To help us understand how CMB is transforming banking through technology, I'm delighted to welcome Mr. Kawusu Yusuf Kabba, Head of Digital Banking. Mr. Kabba, welcome to CMB Spotlight Interview.
Thank you very much, Fatima. You're one of our nice spotlight interviewers. So thank you for having me. It's an honor being here. So as you rightly said, digital banking is shaping the future of financial services. And I'm excited to share how Commerce and Mortgage Bank, and of course, we all know Commerce and Mortgage Bank, CMB, is using technology to deliver convenience, security, and accessibility to our lovely customers. Thank you.
Talk technology. Let's have a little fun. I'm going to ask you a few questions and you're going to answer. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, morning coffee or tea?
Well, I would say morning coffee.
Okay. Android phone or Apple?
Well, I'm using both, but let me just go with Apple.
Okay. Cassava leaf or boiled stew?
Or I prefer boiled stew.
Okay.
Yeah.
So people hear digital banking every day, but what does it actually mean?
Okay, so to our viewers, like I said for CMB, so for digital banking simply means accessing banking services like electronically without you visiting the nearest branch for every transaction. And when I mean electronically, it's not about you having an internet. You can have the USSD for those that don't have internet at their home. The USSD like using those button phone, those button devices. And also it allows customers to manage their finances conveniently using digital channel such as for now, we have a mobile app, a mobile application, internet banking, the debit card, credit card, and other electronic banking services. The goal is to make banking faster and available everywhere, anywhere, as long as our customers need it.
So, what are the digital services that are currently available at Commerce and Mortgage Bank?
Okay, well, at Commerce and Mortgage Bank, we currently we have, I would say we have about several digital solutions. So let me start with for the individual customers. We have a CMB mobile application. When you visit your Apple Play Store, your Android Play Store, you can download it from that space in CMB mobile app, which enables customers to manage their accounts directly from their smartphones. Like I said, even without a smartphone, the use of the USSD, which we are currently working on to introduce the USSD to our customers that probably they don't have smartphone, they only have these button phones. And for our corporate customers, we have some high-end customers or the business customers. We offer corporate internet banking. This is mainly designed for the business effectively for them to manage their banking activities online.
Now, let's talk about corporate internet banking. How does it help businesses?
Okay, so of course, for our corporate customers, like our end customers, we want them to sit at their offices, they perform their transaction. So for these our customers, we have specifically design the business and the institution for them. So it enables these corporate customers to do also the same, like funds transfer. You can make your payments, like those bulk payments you want to pay rest of your staff. You don't need to visit the bank. Just do your Excel, upload it on the internet in banking portal, and then you can just do this transfer swiftly. It's your various staffing account for probably you want to give them bonuses, want to give them their monthly salaries. Yeah, so also you can view your account statement. You don't need to call on the bank or visit the bank. Some people normally say, I don't trust that bank. They are stealing my money. So conveniently check your account without calling your RM, your RO, like you normally say, account officers, yes. And also you can submit your banking request. Probably you want to ask for a new checkbook. Through this internet banking, you can make those submissions. Also, you can manage your beneficiaries. Like you want to say, okay, it's not only time I need to add in Mohammed say when I want to pay Mohammed Sisse, I'll just go to my beneficiary, add his or her name instantly. So the next time I want to do payment, you just go and select from those beneficiaries. You can also do multiple business activities securely. So this allowed an organization to conduct banking effectively from their offices without visiting any of our branches or even coming to an office. And it saves time. It improves productivity, give businesses greater control over their finances. Yeah.
So many customers ask about debit cards. Can you explain how ours work and what's coming next?
Okay, so for the debit card, currently we have only a debit card that's linked to our customers' accounts. So like directly linking to their account. So these cards are presently used to just withdraw money from any of our commercial and mortgage ATMs. Like I rightly said earlier on, because of the national switch, government is trying to do everything possible to satisfy customers digitally, and we are moving from the manual based to the electronic based. So now, with the ease of that national switch, customers can visit any of the banking in ATM. Those other banks are I would say like our competitors or those other ATMs around to withdraw money. And also, looking ahead, we are working on introducing a Visa prepaid card, like I was mentioning earlier on, where customers can shop online. You don't need to visit or go to another corporate entity to have these prepaid cards. This one will expand our payment options, and it will provide customers with greater conveniences for secure electronics transfer, like paying their Netflix, their Apple Music. People that normally shop online, for the ladies, you do use your Cashanova, Alibaba, and the rest of it. Yeah. So while we are still in the planning stage.
So I've heard CMB is also exploring agency banking. Can you tell us more on this?
Oh, yes, okay. So that one is actually correct. So for CMB and Mortgage Bank, as I said, we are actually considering the fact of introducing agency banking. You must have heard other banks are doing those services, and of course, as part of our digital transformation strategy, we are introducing the agency banking. This enables customers to access like selected banking services through, I would say, what we call agents. When you have these agents around, like this Orange Money agent, those boots. We're also trying to introduce that at various communities. For now, we are yet to explore our banking at these provinces. So we are going to introduce it, making the banking more accessible, especially in areas where I would say, like traditionally, a branch is not yet there. So find a particular an agent, probably a supermarket agent, when customers can visit those agents and access their financial services there. Our goal is to bring the banking services very closer to these customers. That's out of range. Yeah.
So one concern people often have is security. How can customers protect themselves while using digital banking?
Okay, so I will just give these few tips. So customer, of course, you should never share your password or let me say pins We're all using these telcos and mobile money. You should not share your password, even if you love your man so much, you love your child so much, because this child, they can be very manipulative at times. Or we have some relationship that normally ends well. So that one, you don't even love. Say, okay, for the sake of love, let me just share my
Or
password.
a man should share with a woman,
No,
no?
no, 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 no. So that one, as I said, avoid sharing password.
Okay.
That one, yes. I would say probably if you think of, okay, when dead, you can have, you can note it down somewhere. We have lawyers. Like
Yeah.
if you are thinking of those things,
Mm-hmm.
probably you'll say, okay, if this person die, what will happen? You
Mm-hmm.
understand? But what I would advise, no sharing of password,
Okay.
and also avoid disclosing your OTPs.
Yeah.
OTPs is like an instant notification. Like if you want to perform a transaction, you normally send you these OTPs,
Mm-hmm.
so you should not share them on no accounts. Of course, you have to use strong passwords. And when you have logged into your mobile app or your internet banking, always log out.
Mm-hmm.
Even for most of us that are using our Facebook, our email, you must always log out. Even if it's your personal laptop, you
Mm-hmm.
must always log out, because you don't know who's actually watching you. And also, if you notice any, like I would say, a suspicious transaction, immediately you have to report to the nearest bank. And for us at Commerce and Mortgage, we made it very easy. In the app or in the internet banking space, you can also make those complaints.
Yeah.
And automatically we receive those notifications via email and even SMS. And of course, only download official application. So for our CMB customers, I don't want you to go to the Play Store, the Apple Store, and you download applications that are, let me say, you see CMC Bank. No, no, no. We are CMB mobile application. And of course, we always give out notifications to our customers for them to know what they need to download.
Okay. So before we wrap up, what message would you like to give our viewers out there?
Okay, so of course, for our CMB customers, firstly, I would like to say thank you for choosing us. And I will give you that assurance that we are the number one bank in Sierra Leone. We are trying to make it very seamless for our digital platform to be very robust and simple. So for the future of banking, I would say it's almost going out digital.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier, on even to the government at time now, they are trying all means for our digital platform to be on a higher dimension. Now look at the instant pay, the national switch implementation. So I would say the future of banking is digital, and for commerce and mortgage is we are committed in providing secure.
So, Mr. Kawusu Kabba, thank you so much for joining us today and for
Yeah.
giving us a glimpse into the exciting future of digital banking at Commerce and Mortgage Bank. And to our viewers, banking has evolved. And with Commerce and Mortgage Bank, convenience is literally at your fingertips. Whether you're checking your balance on the go, managing your business finances online, and looking forward to exciting innovations like Visa prepaid cards and agency banking, CMB is committed to delivering banking solutions that fit your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video of today's episode, like this video, leave a comment on our pages, share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Commerce and Mortgage Bank on all our social media platforms for more banking tips, financial education, and updates. I'm Fatima Dija Koroma, and this has been another exciting edition of CMB Spotlight Interview. Until next time, remember, bank smarter, bank digitally, bank with confidence. Commerce and Mortgage Bank, creating sustainable relationships.
Yeah.